The next construction we're going to work on is constructing a parallel line to a given line through a given point. So as you can see, I was given a line and I was given a point, and I'm hopefully going to make a line that goes straight through that point that's parallel to this line. Now, this is not a difficult one to do. There's a couple of steps to it though. And this is only one of two ways that I'm going to show you how to construct this. So this is method number one. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw a line that's going to cross the line we were given and goes through the point that we were given. Now it doesn't matter how you draw your line. I tend to draw my line going this way because I'm right-handed and it's a little bit easier for me to see. If you're left-handed and you want to have your line go this way because it's easier for you to work with, it's going to work no matter how you do it. Okay, so first step is to draw that line. Make sure that the line that you draw goes a good distance past the point that you were given, because we're going to be working on this line up here in a minute or so. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our compass and we're going to adjust it so that it's along the line that we just drew, but we don't want the width to meet or exceed that given point. We want it to be a little bit less. So as you can see, the given point I was given compared to my writing point, it's a little bit smaller. And I'm going to draw an arc that crosses both the given line and the line that I drew on my own. The next thing that I want to do is I'm going to move my point of my non-writing point on the compass up to the given point, and I have not changed the width on my compass yet. It's the same width, but I'm going to draw an arc, and I want to make sure that it's a little bit below where the point would be, and I want to make sure that I cross the line up here. Okay, so as you can see, this point is actually a little bit above where the arc that I drew is. That's important because I'm going to end up having to work on this down here in a minute. Now, the second thing, or the third thing I guess, we're going to take our compass and we're going to adjust it so that it meets the point that we created on both of these lines from our first arc. Okay, so my non-writing point right here, I line it up, and my writing point, make sure that they're the same width. Then I'm going to move my non-writing point up to that new intersection that I just created, and I'm going to draw an arc down here. The last step, I have a new intersection and I have my given point, and what I'm going to do is just draw the line that goes straight through both of them. And there you have it. I have a parallel line that I just created that is parallel to the given line going through the given point. Again, not a difficult one to do, just the steps to it can become confusing. So the more you practice these, the more you'll have them ingrained into your memory and the easier they'll be to draw.